Hello, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, and I'm answering a question submitted by one of our students. Um, at first, this looks like a pretty complicated problem. There's a negotiation, I guess maybe a government is negotiating with its local union over salaries and benefits, and they want you to figure out what the probability is that the two sides will reach an agreement on salaries and benefits. So you could take a look at that in more detail while I'm drawing the diagram here, but basically this is just a Venn diagram problem. We're just going to set up our diagram now. I've got to just fix the color here. Okay, so I'm going to make a very large, hopefully this is large enough for you to see, Venn diagram. So this is on the left, this represents the salaries, salary negotiation, and then this is the benefits here. Now what they want is the probability that they'll reach an agreement on both salary and benefits. So I'm going to call that X, because that's what we're after. So this is just a good general technique. Figure out what they're asking and then make that X. We're so used to solving for X in school, so it's just a useful tip here to always make it X when you're doing a word problem. Try to figure out what they want and call that X. Now there's a 50% chance of 50% chance that the salary will be resolved. Now for benefits, it's telling us that there's a 70% chance that they'll reach an agreement on benefits. So this would be 70 minus X. And they're telling us that there's a 20% chance that they won't agree on salary or benefits, and then everybody would be unhappy. So that belongs down here. And you can see the Venn diagram now. We've represented each area of the Venn diagram with an expression here, or in this case, a value. Well, all these things have to add up to 100. So then we just do 50 minus X plus X plus 70 minus X plus 20 equals 100. 50 and 70 is 70. 70 and 70 is 140. So we have 140. And then these two x's cancel. So we're left with the negative x equals 100. So x is 40 here. So I'm going to just change colors and fill in the probabilities. I think that will just give us a useful check. So we're saying that there's 40 in here, which is hard to read. That's what our x value is. There would be 10 in here, and then 30 in here, and then 20 here. That doesn't change. 10 and 40 is 50. 50 plus 30 is 80. So there's 80 in here, and then there's 20 here. So that makes good sense to me. The diagram, unfortunately, is not drawn to scale. Hopefully you could see that 40 inside there. But, Venn diagram problems look hard, but they're not that hard. As soon as you draw the diagram, you're in good shape. So that's it for today. I wish you good luck on your travels in the world of probability. Bye-bye.